That's like it. Hello food lovers, and welcome back once again to my kitchen. And today I'll be sharing with you guys the best method. There are so many methods, but this is going to be very simple. You know what this kitchen is all about, to create this amazing dish easily. So we'll be making chicken thigh, and these are the ingredients we'll be using to marinate this. So let's do this together, folks. But feel free, to not limit yourself with what ingredients you have. Use whatever ingredients within your reach and create that amazing dish. And also be using some vegetable oil. So let's marinate our chicken and enjoy this flavor. And here is our white pepper, thyme, parsley, garlic powder, oregano, rosemary, paprika, optional Sichuan pepper, salt, chicken flavor. Then mix this together. And set this aside. So now let's marinate our chicken. I'll go in with some butter, melted butter. Next, my vegetable oil. Next, I'll go ahead and marinate my chicken right in the oil. Just coat it up brown. Why I'm doing it like this, so this will be able to absorb the herbs that we'll be applying later. Okay, make sure it goes round. I'm using 4 chicken thighs here. But the goal is to make sure you ram out the oil all through. Next, I'll go ahead and add in my herbs. Go ahead and rub it around. Make sure the chicken is properly coated. So I'll go ahead and seal this up. You can use a Ziploc bag if that is what you have. So I'll set this aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes, but I'll be leaving it for more. This has been marinating for about 2 hours, so now let's grill. So now I'll be placing this right on the grill. While that is grilling, let's prepare our mashed potatoes. I'll cut these up to cube sizes to enable it cook fast and cook uniformly. I'll then go ahead and add in some water and allow this to cook until soft. Now the potato is soft, let's mash together, folks. And please use this opportunity to click the like button if you've not liked, and subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video. I have something coming up you would not like to miss, so please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing that. So now I'll mash this up. I'll then go ahead and add in our melted butter and milk and combine together. And here I'm gonna add in salt to taste with sprinkling some white pepper. Combine everything together. Make sure it is properly evenly combined. And here you have our mashed potato is ready. And here you have it. Our mashed potato is set. And back to our oven, our chicken is set. So bring it out, dish, and enjoy this delicious finger-licking chicken and mashed potatoes is ready to serve. I hope you try this out, and please don't forget to tag me and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, folks. I love you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. It came out so nice, so flavorful, and so delicious. You're gonna love it. Your family gonna love it. Enjoy this one.
How is it? That's very good.